Good evening, everyone. The drawing that we are going to construct in today's video is based on a forward vernier scale. So far, I haven't made any video on a forward vernier. However, I've made a lot of videos on backward vernier scales. So this one is something which is very new to all of you. This problem was sent to me by Abhishek Chaudhary and he has enrolled in my engineering drawing course. Okay, let's read the problem and extract data and then let's start the construction. All of this is going to be done in a very step-by-step approach and I want all of you to watch this video right till the end. This is going to take me not more than 10 minutes. So here we go. We need to make a forward vernier scale to read distance, correct, up to a decameter. So what is this decameter? We all know that a kilometer can be expressed in terms of hectometer, that is 10 hm, and a hectometer can be expressed in terms of decameters, that is 10 dam. So this is something that I want all of you to note down. On a map in which actual distances are reduced in the ratio of 1:40,000. So whatever actual distances are there, they will be squeezed 40,000 times and then they shall be represented on a piece of paper, right? And for that you need a mathematical quantity, a magic number, that is your representative fraction. The scale should be long enough to measure up to 6 kilometers. So this is your maximum length. So far so good. Now something in reality is 6 kilometers. How much would that be if it is reduced 40,000 times? Let's say that the distance between two different locations is 6 kilometers in real. So if we are drawing a map and if we reduce it or squeeze it, shrink it by 40,000 times, how much would that become? That is exactly what we wish to determine. And that is done with the help of the length of scale. Okay, you simply multiply both of them. Kilometer, 1000 meter, and a meter is 100 centimeter. Just do the math. This is going to work out as 15 centimeters. Wonderful. Now with this length of scale, what you need to do is you need to draw a line. Length of scale is equal to 15 centimeters. This is on your drawing sheet, or you can say your map. But in reality, you know very well that this represents a distance of 6 kilometers. So what we'll do is we are going to divide this 6 kilometers into 6 parts. Okay, so that each part is equivalent to 1 kilometer. How many parts? 6 parts. Please note that. And by the way, half a centimeter, equal distances, you can draw these to 4 lines. Keep it very, very light. 4H pencil. Keep it light. Hold it light. 6 parts. So basically what we have done, this single part, in fact all of them are equal, and 15 centimeter divided by 6 will give you 2.5 centimeters. Very, very simple. Okay, can be done. No need to apply line division technique over here. It's very simple. Use your scale, the physical scale that you have. Secondly, this is 1 kilometer. So 1 kilometer distances markings can be seen very easily. What if I want a marking of 0.1 kilometer? That means what I'll do is I'll divide a kilometer into 10 equal parts so that each division is equal to 0.1 kilometer. So here we'll simply do a construction. Watch. Draw a line. 10 divisions. 1, 2, 3, equally spaced. All of them are equally spaced. Preferably half a centimeter. That's it. Join the last of this, the 10th point with this point over here. Now keep your drafter along this line. Okay, tighten the screw and then move your drafter to this 9th point, draw line, 8th point, draw line. Keep on repeating the process until all the points have been exhausted. Done. Now with the help of a drafter again, you need to keep your drafter in this fashion. No. You need to keep your drafter in this fashion. Okay, draw vertical lines. Keep on shifting your drafter from one point to the other, from the other point to another one. this way. Easy. Okay, now do this. Basically you can keep your divider over here. Okay, with the help of a divider you can, you can locate these points very easily. Okay, this has to be repeated, nothing else. It might take some time, I understand. Okay, so our main scale divisions are done. How many main scale divisions are there? If you make a count, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Right, what about vernier scale divisions? So what we'll do is, on the ninth main scale division, from here we are going to draw two vertical lines 1 centimeter each, and with that we are going to make a rectangle. Done. And please note, I don't know whether you realize this or not, we didn't put a 0 over here at the end of first division. Okay, so in forward vernier scale, please note you have to start with 0 at the extreme left of the scale. Okay, so this is the beginning of our vernier scales construction. What's next? What we'll do is, we are going to divide this into 10 parts. 10 parts here, not 10 parts here. Okay, draw a line, 10 points, right? You don't have to make such points, you simply make these points with the help of scale and a pencil. 10 points. Keep your scale at the 10th point join. Now keep your drafter, tighten the screw, move it to the 9th point, draw a line. In the same fashion, repeat the process, and these are all your divisions. Now again finish it in this fashion. Very easy. So our vernier scale is done. Now I want all of you to focus on this portion. 10 divisions of the vernier scale and 9 divisions of the main scale. What did I just say? 10 divisions of the vernier scale and 9 divisions of the main scale. Please make a count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 divisions of the vernier scales. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 divisions of the main scale. That is exactly what I have mentioned. What we really want is, we wish to know the magnitude of one vernier scale divisions. Let me write this down. We wish to know how much, or in kilometers, how much is one vernier scale division equal to in kilometers. That is our objective right now. Okay, because it is going to help us represent these two distances, right? Okay, so far so good. Now 1 VSD is equal to 9 by 10 or 0.9 MSD. How much is an MSD equal to? This is an MSD, by the way. This is a main scale division. Okay, if you want I can zoom in. This is one main scale division. This is 0.1 of a kilometer. Okay, 0.1 of a kilometer. So 1 MSD is equal to 1 by 10 kilometer, or you can also say it is equal to 0.1 kilometer. You simply substitute 1 MSD by 0.1 kilometer. Do it. So 0.9 into 0.1 kilometer, this is 0.1 kilometer, by the way, is equal to 0.09 kilometers, and that is exactly what we want. 1 VSD in kilometers. Done. Let me erase. Okay, sir. What is the point in doing all of these things? Haven't we already constructed the scale? Yes. The point of conducting all of these things is that you have to make some measurements. These are they, 3.34 and 0.59 kilometers. How do you do that? Now, listen to me. Sir, you've written some kind of an equation. Yes. This is known to us. This is what has to be calculated. The x will be worked out, has to be determined. But sir, with what logic, or what logic did you follow to write 6 vernier scale division? So please note, what is the last digit over here? Sir, it is 9. 9 times of 1 is 9. 9 times of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go through the table of 9. When will you get 4 as the last digit? Sir, this is 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. 54 is when we get the last digit as 4. Okay, let me write this properly. When we get the last digit as 4. And let me highlight. So you started off with the last digit of one vernier scale division. You thought about multiplying it with a particular number that will get you the last digit of this measurement. Okay, so that happens to be 4, and that is going to represent, this 6 is going to be represent the number of vernier scale divisions. So 6 vernier scale divisions plus x is going to give you 3.34. You just need to do the math over here, and x will work out as 2.8. By the way, 1 VSD, you know very well, is 0.09 kilometer, and that value has been put up. X is 2.8. 2.8. Okay. Now watch. How many vernier scale divisions? Sir, 6. If you watch, this 6 into 0.09 translates to 0.54 of a kilometer. Plus x is 2.8. The sum is equal to 3.34 kilometers. Very well. So take a look. This is equivalent to 0.54 kilometer. But how? If you just make a count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vernier scale divisions is equal to 0.4 kilometer. And now from here, please see, we are already one short. Okay. Just before 1, this is 1 MSD. So this is 1 kilometer. Then this is another 1 kilometer. 1.1, 2.1. Let me start again. Let me do it this way. This is 1 kilometer. How much do we need? 2.8. This again is 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer, that is 2 kilometers. And this is where we need to stop. 2.8. So let me zoom in. From here until here we have 2 kilometers. 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8. This is where you need to stop, and that is okay. So we are done. This is the measurement. Can you match this? Right, this is 3.34 kilometer. You want to diversify, this is this portion is 0.54 kilometers, and this portion over here is 2.8 kilometers. Okay, you also need to work out 0.59 kilometer. Now I want all of you to tell me how many VSDs shall I add to x to get this value of 0.59 kilometer. Write down in the comment section below. And if you wish to see how professional your work should be, the pencil work, I mean, it should look something like this. Let me show this. This should be how your pencil work should look like. Okay, the construction part, keep it very light, barely visible. Here also you have drawn lines. These reference lines help you, these rather guidelines help you to write down the text and numbers, right? So guys, that was all from my side for today. If you've got any doubt or queries, to write them down in the comment section below. Thank you very, very much.